Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I don't know why I'm taking so long to say it. I don't know, but welcome back to my channel, Naturally Sade. I am so excited. I know that this is not a new foundation, but it's new for me. I am going to be reviewing the MAKIAGE foundation and concealer. So I just got it in the mail, y'all. And here's the box that it comes in. So let me go ahead and open it up real quick. Foundation and concealer. Okay, so starting out with the foundation. So here's what the foundation is looking like. And this is the Woke Up Like This Flawless Base Foundation. It is a pump foundation. They sent me the shade 105. So hopefully it's a match. I took the little quiz online and everything, and this is what they matched me up with. So we'll see. So let's bust out this concealer and see what it's looking like. Okay, so here's the concealer, and this is the Flawless. So here it is, and you can see it's actually like much lighter than the foundation shade. So, which I mean, typically I go for lighter concealer, so it's perfect. This foundation isn't new by any means, but it's new to me, and it's been all over my Instagram feed, on my Instagram stories, and I just keep seeing these girls putting it on, and it looks like skin, and it just looks so amazing. And I got sucked into the trap, and so I decided to try it. And they have this whole like, you can try it for 14 days, and if you don't like it, send it back, and if you do, then you can buy it. Basically, you will pay the full price for whatever it is that you got. So I'm going to start out with one pump. It's supposed to be buildable coverage, and yeah, I'm going to start out with one pump because depending on what I'm doing, I typically like a natural finish for foundation, but you know, sometimes I like to go full coverage, so I do like that it's buildable. But anyway, going in with one pump, so once it decides to come out, that will be great. Okay. And it kind of does look like, well, it looks a little bit light, but we'll see, because my face is like a lot lighter. Oh, there's one. So let's see how far this goes, like with this one pump. Okay, so it's definitely very, very light, and I feel like I could use like one more coat. So I was expecting a little bit more coverage, but it's fine. So we'll see if it really is buildable. So I'm just gonna put one more pump, but I feel like it does match my skin pretty well. Like you could even see like face and neck. Like it's matching pretty well. So the coverage right now, this is good. Like I'm good with this. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the concealer. And I forgot to mention the shade that I'm in. My concealer shade is 8. So yeah, and since it's really light, I'm just gonna use a little bit because I'm not trying to go ham like that, you feel me? Nice and blended. Oh wow, so it's not like super heavy at all, which I kind of like for the purpose that I'm wearing it today as just like a everyday kind of thing. Okay, so I have the foundation and the concealer on, and honestly, right now I'm indifferent. It doesn't, like, I feel like I'm not getting this flawless finish feel. I feel like there is drugstore foundations that give a more flawless, I can't speak. I feel like there are drugstore foundations that give a more flawless finish than this one is giving me right now, but I'm just gonna test it out and give it a chance, and we'll see. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my makeup off camera, and I'll be back when I'm done. It's gonna be super quick because your girl ain't got time. So yeah, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I'm gonna keep it very simple because I really wanna focus on the foundation and the concealer. So yeah, let's see how this turns out. I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back and I did the rest of my makeup. Like I said, I'm just keeping it super simple, and yeah, we're gonna see how this baby tests out. So real quick, I'm gonna go outside and I'm just gonna show you how it's looking out in the daylight and the sunlight outside, how it really looks on my skin. And then I'm gonna give it like a 3 to 4 hour wear test and come back with my final thoughts about the foundation. So right now we're good. I set it with like a tiny bit of setting powder under my eyes. And I used the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. And then I went ahead and like set my whole face with this. So yeah, I mean, we'll see. All right, so real quick, just so you can see what it's looking like. I feel like the light was like way better inside. But anyway, this is how it's looking like on my skin in the daylight. I will come back in a couple hours with my final results. All right, so I'm back and it is now 4 hours later, and you get a little close so you can kind of see what my skin is looking like. How you doing? But I mean, I will say that I don't totally hate it. Actually, I don't even dislike it. It is very skin-like. So if you have flawless skin, then it will probably look flawless on you. And you know, if you're going for that type of flawless skin look, I mean, looking at my skin, it is far from flawless. Like, this is supposed to give you like a poreless look, and I feel like on my cheeks, you know, you can kind of see my pores and the normal stuff. But seeing how it wore outside, I actually do like it, and I did receive compliments on my makeup, so shout out to Jessica and Marin. But yeah, I unexpectedly received compliments on my makeup today on the way that it looked on my skin, without them even knowing that I was testing out foundation and anything like that. So that was unexpected, but it was nice. And just seeing like my face hasn't really, like my nose makeup is still there. So that's usually like the first thing that starts to kind of come off, because that's probably where I get the oiliest. And I wouldn't consider my skin oily. I would say, you know, like combination, but if I'm gonna get oily somewhere, it's typically on my nose. I think that's common for a lot of people. So my nose, it looks the same pretty much. I mean, I didn't put that much. I did put, you know, 2 pumps of the foundation on, but not, you know, anything crazy, at least by my standards. But yeah, I mean, it's wearing pretty good. It's lasting pretty well so far. And I lightly set it with powder, like lightly dusted and I sprayed. So with that, I think it's looking pretty good so far. So overall, I'm neutral about it. If I'm being real, I'm neutral about it. I'm not impressed as I was expecting to be because of the hype and how it's marketed and everything, which is, you know, I get it. That's the point. They want you to buy their product. And they definitely reeled me in there, you know what I mean? So I don't know if I'll be keeping it. I am going to test it out a little bit more and see. But first impressions, you know, first day, I'm okay with it. I'm neutral. It is what it is. I'm a little underwhelmed, but I don't hate it. And like I said, I received a compliment on how it looked on my skin. So if you like that skin-like type of look, then this is definitely for you, which I do like. But like I said, I can get this with any other kind of foundation. But yeah, like you can see my natural skin features, like my freckles. Typically, if I'm wearing a heavier makeup, like those are totally covered up and you cannot see them at all. So yeah, like I feel like a daily makeup kind of thing, like this is perfect for that. But if you're like a full coverage person, I'm not sure. I haven't tested out how buildable it is. So that's all I'm gonna say. So this concludes my review of the MAKIAGE foundation and concealer. Let me know what you think about how it looks on me. Maybe your opinion is different. Maybe like the camera is giving you like some great vibe. Maybe it's great for camera, you know, like great for pictures. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. If you enjoyed watching this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. And while you're there, you might as well hit that subscribe button down below if you want to see more from me. And of course, as always, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.